Okie dokie. Hey, bud. Well, this is it. This is payday today. It is the end of week 4, actually. We thought it was the end of week 3, but it's not. It's week 4. What the hell happened here?
From here, it's already ripe.
Oh.
You have to...
What's up, bud? Okay. Let's pay the people. We can do a little tour. So the whole roof, the whole frame is done now. Munchkin's son was out here today. Finally doing some work.
Ako yung kamachuhan. Ito po. Puro pa pogi lang alam. Oh, ayan. Nagpapala na ho ang aking anak. Hindi, pogi daw siya, oh. Oh. Harap sa camera. Harap sa camera, oh. O, diba? Pampamatcho yan, kaysa mag-gym ka pa, ano Kuya Biloy?
Papawisan ka naman din.
Papawisan ka din naman dyan eh.
Sa gym may chicks.
Ayun, sinasabi ko.
Sobra-sobra pa ang power.
Mas igi yan kaya sa gym. Para lumaki-laki lang ang katawan. Ko po. Ang tunay na minamahal ng babae, yung may alam sa buhay. Hindi yung cellphone lang alam. Ako po. Baka mamay pag nasira ang gripo ng bahay ninyo, hindi mo alam ayusin.
And the septic tank got finished off pretty darn good.
Yeah.
That's pretty deep now. The walls went out here. So this is our master bedroom now. That's the CR over there. That all got emptied. The walls came out. All the walls came out. So there is nothing else. This is all just gonna get leveled off now. Careful. Why are you over here? This little one over here, she's crazy. Little spider monkey over here. Honestly. Yeah, don't fall in there, because that is 8 feet, I think now.
8 feet?
8 feet probably now.
Yeah, and it's gonna be leveled until here, right?
Yeah, until about there. Yeah, so it's gonna be a 10-foot septic tank by 10 by 8 or so, 10 by 9, or I mean, yeah, 10, and this is about 8 feet, 8 maybe 9 even feet. So 90 square feet, I guess. So that will be pretty good. We want to make sure that is about 20 years. Last about 20 years. Okay, let's go pay some salaries. So it is salary day today. We're gonna do we're gonna calculate some numbers what we've spent so far on all the salaries and on the equipment or on the supplies. Hello. Wavy, you gonna wave? Say hello. Hello. Daddy D is my name out here apparently.
Ano, kumain ka na? Gusto na papal sa'yo.
Kumahan na ako. Nagtira nila ako.
Nagtira ka ba? Okay. They're still working, baby.
Yeah, well tell him to stop.
Oh, tapos na. Tama na. Bukas pa, lunes na ulit. Oh.
Yeah, and this is all getting leveled off. That's why all this is out here now. That same height as the bedroom is over there. But that got... Now this is all gonna go up to... We've decided we're gonna bring that up as well. Those two walls. I don't wanna have it... I don't wanna have it open. Like, a lot of Filipino homes that you guys see will have They'll do the roof, they'll do everything else, but then the bedrooms are left off without actually going all the way up to the ceiling for some whatever reason. Whatever reason you guys do that. They like to have flat roofs. But now this bedroom here is gonna be much bigger than it was before. It's gonna go out there. We're gonna have a sliding door right there, and we're gonna have a little door going to the CR as well here. So there's gonna be a door, two doors, one from the kitchen going to the CR, and then one from our master bedroom, which is kind of cool because we did want to have a door from over here as well. But yeah, this is 4 weeks worth of work. If you guys haven't seen what the place looked like before, go out to one of our first videos and you guys will see it. We're gonna do probably a video about, like, you know, the before and after. But yeah, now this CR is gonna be really open here too, and we're gonna have a window here, one-way window through a shower. So we'll do a shower over here. The shower is gonna be over here. Vanity will be down here, and I don't know, do you want to have the toilet on this side here?
I don't know.
Because we'll have the door over here, right?
Right.
The door over here, you're gonna come in,
Here?
you know? So you're gonna come in here. We'll probably put our bed over here or something like that. Have a window here. This going out to like a nice little deck out there, and see that whole jungle over there. We'll put some garden beds over there. That's gonna look really dope. And we'll plant some trees over there. Like I said, we'll do some coconut trees, the miniature ones, and some banana trees. We gotta make that door, yeah, make that door bigger, because that's one of those little miniature dwarf doors.
Look, dwarf.
Yeah, Munchkin.
Dwarf.
Munchkin is 4'7", so.
My mom is 4.6.
Yeah, mom is even shorter, so you know.
Yeah. Okay.
Another wonderful week. And that's why we're leveling all this. That's why all this is coming out here. So we're gonna level all this off. This pink wall is gonna go out as well. That's gonna be open up, so it's gonna be really open into the kitchen over there. Yeah, and this is gonna get raised too, so the whole floor is gonna be same level. Next week they'll probably start lifting this. This roof is gonna go off, and this is gonna go up about 1 meter. And then we're gonna put a sliding door going out to that little jungle over there, because the jungle is dope. Huh? Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and we have to make this door a little bit different. Like, I barely fit with this door now. Like, I'm barely fitting. And this is without actually raising the floor.
Yeah.
Because the floor is gonna go up by about 18 inches, you know? So by the time this...
Door?
Yeah, it's gonna go to a normal door. Normal door.
Oh, ito na. Tawag time na. Ha? Ay, okay lang yun.
Yeah, all these windows are gonna have to be raised as well, because they're gonna look really funky if we just leave them like this. Same everything. All the doors, this door, that window, all the windows.
Oh!
Even out here, this roof is gonna have to be up to, right?
Ito na! Abot ko na! Oh. Ate, oh. Reven!
Oh, po!
Ibigay mo na. It's 3-6, right? 3-6.
Hey, thank you for your amazing work again. Another week, eh?
Wow.
Huwag na daw.
Kaya bilay, ah.
Nagala sa kamay.
Sa 3-6 ka ba po?
I feel you. Kaya, palipar na.
Thank you po. Yeah, thank you again. Salamat po for your amazing work.
3-7 sa'yo.
Again, thank you again. Thank you for another great week.
Thank you so much. Tama, 3-5. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Tumahod ako 3 tinapay. Ano pa? May pa. Nahiya ka pa eh. Hindi mo ba yung
Salamat na marami sa inyo.
Still a little bit of framing left. Or is that for this side or no? Yeah, enjoy your Sunday. Enjoy your day off.
Ikaw kayo magkakaroon
Yeah.
Pwede mo naman na yung toilet.
Bibili na bago.
Sabi ng mama Laura, siya daw kukuha. Sabi ko parang mas ikaw.
Yeah, lots of progress. Lots of progress. Now this side's gonna have to come off. We have to figure out what it's gonna be costing us for the doors. Let's ask
Jana.
Jano what it's gonna cost for the window
I showed him already
Oh,
the
did you?
video that I wanted. And then I asked him if he can do it.
Yeah.
I said yes, they can do it. And then I said I want the best quality that you ever did.
Oh shit.
And they say yes, Ninang. If you want like this materials, I say okay. Then give me some prices. Say okay.
And you have to say we still need a deal. Then he gives you the price and you say, okay, can you do it for half of that? Half of that? No, you say half of that and bunch of pizzas.
Okay, yeah. And then yeah, thank you for supporting us, guys, and we're hoping that you're still supporting us all the way.
Yeah, exactly.
Then, you know,
All the way to the end and further.
and further.
Yeah, because this is not gonna end. Once we are done with doing the inside of the house, we're gonna do the outside, and we're gonna do the yard pretty cool too. So we got some ideas for how we're gonna do the yard and everything. It's a big project.
It's a big project, but
Big project
slowly,
on a
slowly.
budget. That's what we're doing, on a budget, okay?
Yeah.
Because none of this, we're not wealthy people. We came here with whatever we had, and now we gotta do whatever we can. But yeah, this CR is gonna be pretty cool. I'm really excited. Really excited.
No? Where are you going? Come on. Here. Come here. Let's go swimming. Come here. Come. Come here. She's scared. Get it. She's scared. Let's go. This is cooler. Look at that. Come on, baby. Come on, go to daddy. Come here. Come here. Come this way. Come here. Bye. Say hello.
Here we go. Hello, hello.
Water.
Don't put him too far though. You'll be scared over there. Oi, that's too much, babe. Don't drown. He's gonna get scared, babe. You gotta let him come in easy. Oh my God, babe. Wow, that woman just puts him right in there. I guess that's sometimes the best recipe. You know, now he's not scared, I guess, you know. He's cooler. He's gonna enjoy being cooler. Maxie, come on. Mommy is just crazy. Well, let him go to the shoes if he wants to go to the shoes. Come on. Mommy and dogs. Come on, Max. water is extremely warm, but it's really choppy, so you can't really see the bottom. But what's up, Maxie? Let's go. Huh? Poop? Oh, nothing like water, nothing like the seawater. Boy, miss it. I need it all the time. Max! Oh, he's gone. Babe, go get him. Ah, he is gone. He found a new family. I very, very much need it. Every time it gets a little stressed with anything, the house, the car, the pizza truck. Coming out here is always the best thing, the best remedy. This definitely is the best remedy. Need this once in a while.
Oh, dali, kanta.
We just stopped in the middle.
Why you stop?
Oh.
I'm recording.
No problem. I'm recording.
You guys will be on YouTube.
Yeah, we're gonna put you in YouTube.
Titanic.
Katrina is coming. Katrina is coming.
Katrina's coming. Really?
Yes.
See?
30 seconds na lang, kaya ka to.
Wait, what?
Vicks Inhaler for vascular healing anytime, anywhere. Vicks Inhaler.
Yeah, so we met these dudes just literally randomly. They like the dog, they started hanging out with us, and next thing you know, we're having drinks. This is really how it works in the Philippines, you guys. We're doing a little karaoke there, so I think we just don't want to get copyright, but yeah, that's how it kind of went.